Okay, by the Thai Hut Garden Restaurant in Shalimar, Florida, and a mattress warehouse, and across the street from the Bank America, and the corner of Yacht Club Drive and Eglin Parkway. There's Whataburger and the little bridge. It's Fort Walton, Shalimar area. They have got a trailer for the storm victims. Also, the Cinco Church is back in here. They've got a big giant trailer. That's probably a 30-footer. If you want to donate supplies for the hurricane victims, you just load it in the trailer. It's got shelves and everything. Please do so. People helping people, that's what it's all about in Florida. Not seeing a whole lot of the government action when they said they had reserved funds in case of the storm hitting, but look, this is what it's all about. People helping people.